Hey traders, welcome to Quad S Trading. My name is Simon, and today we had one of the best days we've had in a very long time. Our account grew by 13.22%, which is huge. So essentially, if you had a $10,000 account, you would have made $1,300 today. So really big day for us, and let's go over all the trades. For the VW strategy. So first one on our scanners on the right side here, and the left side is a chart, and we have one indicator that pretty much tells you when to get in and when to get out. So let's have a look at MSRP. This one here came in at roughly 430, but we have the first condition blue circle, but the rest it just didn't pump enough and it's under $1.15, so we do not touch that. SMX, this one here just came up. We got that 15% pump here, but everything else it just tanked way too fast. But this would have been a very nice trade nonetheless. SHPH. This one here was another straight up, straight down, like boom, 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 and then just went sideways for the rest of the day. So that wasn't a trade for us. This one here was a beauty of a trade. As you can tell, so this is why our indicator is phenomenal. It tells you when to go in. You don't even have to think. It pumps 71% on this candle. This one here pumps 11. On this one here, it closes below the VWAP with a green circle. This is a VW1. You enter as soon as this closes. Boom, on this candle here at 246, that's when you get in, and you close at the end of the day. You literally just set your stop loss and you let it go until the end of the day. And this one trade alone was 3.8% of your account growth. And on a, so yeah, definitely worth it. Now, PHIO, this was the other big winner of today. We have, the 15% pump is right here. It pumps. Now, I made a very small mistake. I actually entered on this candle here. So there was that half a second where this candle was green, and then right before it went to this next candle over here, this one right here, I noticed that it never turned green, and the reason why is because it closed at the same price as the VWAP. It closed at 328, and the VWAP was 328, and the VWAP is 328. As soon as I noticed the mistake, I got out right away, and I maybe lost like 250 on that trade. So it's definitely not a big deal. I got in, got out right away. So I got a small little paper cut, and then look, it pump, pump, pump. Now here's the entry on that green candle. You go in at 365, and you wait till the end of the day. And look, they did a nice, beautiful offering here, and then it just went all the way to the end of the day. Now this trade alone was 5.23%. So this was the biggest win of the day. Next on the list, what do we have here? BDRX. BDRX. This one here was also two straight up, straight down. We can't trade those. They're just too fast, right? For the VW, because it just comes in like your entry is at one profit target. So this is not a trade for us. FEMI. Let's have a look at this one here. So this one here pump, we got a 15%, but the problem is it's under $1.15, so we do not trade these ones. But you know what? Even if you did, this would have been your entry right here, anyways. A small little 14%. THAR, this one here was also a huge winner. These crypto treasuries, as soon as you see something with a crypto treasury for what, Canton coin treasury, what is that? The stock pumps. Right here's your 15%. Pump, pump. This one here pumps 72%. Red. This one here's on the close. You enter at 538. That's the close below the VWAP, and you just wait till the end of the day. Look, it crashed down and it just went sideways all the way to the end of the day. Then this one here was a 4.16% of your account. So just these three trades this morning, like you literally all you have to do is you get in, you set your stop loss, and you let it go. Like these trades are so easy to trade. I'll show you exactly how I trade these. Pumps here, I see the circle here. The alerts is on the scanner at 906. When is 906? Right here. Right about here, this is when it would have popped on this candle, or this one right here. Now this here is one of our main conditions. From here, you just go to your alerts. When our indicator changes dot color once per bar, you just set an alert like this. So no alert's going to come off, no alert goes off, no alert goes off, no alert goes off. Now on this one here, when this price comes down like this, bing, 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 we get an alert that it changed colors. It could have changed to a yellow for VW2 or for a green of VW1. So as soon as I got the alert for this, I literally just hit the sell button, set up my order, 10% of my account, and I literally just wait until it closes. Boom, it closed, I entered, I set my stop loss, and I covered at the end of the day. Same thing with PHIO. These were all three super duper easy trades, right? Set your alert here for when it changes color. Now on this wick here, it would have changed color, but it closed above. This one here, it changed color, and it was down here. Honestly, it was within a split second that it changed back to red, which, that's when I got back out, made a mistake. You get it right away. Red, it comes like this, all red. Boom, here's your green, close below, boom. This is when you enter, set your stop loss right up here at the line where it tells you to go in, right? This is your line for your stop loss, and then you wait till the end of the day. Boom, big win. And the other one, RNTX, exactly the same play, right? This one here pops like this. This is on your scanner. You locate your shares. This one here would have changed color, but it closed above. This one here would have alerted you to change color, closed below. Boom, you enter at 246, and you close out at the end of the day. Boom. So anyways, if you like what you see, head over to Discord. I'm not sure how much easier I need this to make. Short selling is super simple, especially with the penny stocks that we short sell. If you follow our strategy, you don't need to know how to trade. You just need to follow the colors. That's it. Anyways, if you like what you see, head over to Discord, and we'll see you there.